All right, check this out. So this is the footpath. So I can pretty much fish right on the edge of the footpath here. It's never normally this high. Let's see if we can get a bream. So my feet are wet. Let's see if there's any fish hanging out there. Just to show how high this tide is, this is the footpath. It's completely covered. And the swell's just coming over it. This is the top of the tide now. Yeah. Yeah, super high tide. Not that many fish. Yeah, I can almost fish on the footpath. I normally stand in this gap, but yeah. Crazy high tide. Yep, there's a fish. Alright, first fish of the day. The bream. I got him way up close to this. He's not happy. Cool. So yeah, first high tide fish, caught almost on the footpath. Alright, so I've just switched spots and just throwing on a lure I've used some fish on. So this is a Kokoda frog, but there's not much paint left on it. It's kind of gone back to silver now because I caught so many bream on it. But yeah, I'm just gonna have a quick flick here. The sun's very hot and it's windy, so I might go home and charge up the GoPro shortly, but I'll just try a quick flick here. It's still a very high tide. The tide's going out really quickly now, so yeah, that water will be getting a lot lower shortly. Got a stick. So yeah, I've just had a follow off this side, so I might do another cast. It's swimming a lot better in this, like against the current. It kind of gets a little bit deeper, which helps out a bit. Yeah, I just had a bream follow it right up. Here's the fish that was following it just then. Just a little bream by the looks, not too big. So yeah, he's just pretty tiny. That's all right, I'll get this hook out and I'll throw him back. Yeah, so nice little fish. He's had something sort of have a go at him. Just lost the top of his fin. But yeah, so I'll let him go. But yeah, beautiful colours on it as well. Alright, sweet. So the last spot I'm going to try for today, I may come back later, is this rock wall. There's just a sun shower coming through. So it's starting to rain, but that's alright. I've got a raincoat on. So yeah, this tide's flying out here. There's a nice rock wall, and all this current is just drifting past all these snags and stuff. So I think there could be some fish in here. There's a lot of debris, so that's my lure after one cast. But I'll try around in front of this mangrove here, see if there's any bream hanging out under there. They love mangroves, and all the bait fish love mangroves as well. Just get a nice troll past there. Took the nice fish at that mangrove. It's not too big, but just cast right in there, and yeah, a little bream is obviously sitting up there hiding. So, oh, that's a bigger one than the ones this morning. Oh, and he's off, and he's in the rocks. Alright, so I'm going to do a recovery here. Make sure he gets out. Oh no, he's out. Yeah, this mangrove, they always have fish around them and bait around them, so they're awesome for the natural habitat. So yeah, the more mangroves, the better, I reckon. Something's just hit my lure. I think it's another little bream. So I'll just bring him up. Just bring him up and let him go. So yeah, nice little fella again. Yeah, he's just had an awesome swipe at that lure, and he's just hooked. So nice easy release. But yeah, beautiful fish. Again, put him back. So yeah, he just had a real go at that lure. I thought it was a bit bigger.